World Hepatitis Day, observed on July 28 every year, aims to raise global awareness of hepatitis and encourage prevention, diagnosis and treatment. World Hepatitis Day provides an opportunity to focus on actions such as raising awareness of the different forms of hepatitis and how they are transmitted, strengthening prevention, screening and control of viral hepatitis and its related diseases, increasing the hepatitis B vaccine coverage and integration into national immunization programs, coordinating a global response to hepatitis. World Hepatitis Day is now recognized in over 100 countries in each year by free screening, poster campaigns, demonstrations, concerts, talk shows, flash mobs and vaccination drives amongst many others. Hepatitis affects hundreds of millions of people worldwide, causing acute and chronic diseases and killing close to 1.34 million people every year. Hepatitis causes liver diseases and can also kill a person. Do you know about 50 million people in India suffer from hepatitis? 95% of the affected are unaware about their illness. Only 1% seeks treatment. What is hepatitis? Hepatitis is a disease causing the inflammation of the liver. There are mainly 5 types of hepatitis: hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, hepatitis D, hepatitis E. Hepatitis A and hepatitis E are waterborne hepatitis. Hepatitis B, hepatitis C and hepatitis D are bloodborne hepatitis. Coming one by one, hepatitis A. Hepatitis A is a curable viral disease that can cause mild to severe illnesses, transmitted through ingestion of contaminated food and water or either direct contact with an infectious person. It lasts for a few weeks. It is safe and effective vaccine is available for hepatitis A. Hepatitis B virus. Hepatitis B attacks the liver and can cause both acute as well as chronic diseases. It is transmitted through contact with the blood or other body fluids of an infected person. It can be transmitted either through sexually or parenterally, such as injections or needles, syringes, etc., or also perinatally from mother to the infant. If contacted in childhood, it lasts for a few months. Safe and effective vaccine is readily available for all age groups and is must for everyone. Hepatitis C virus. It is a bloodborne virus that spreads through exposure to small quantities of blood. Blood transfusion recipients should get tested. Chronically infected patients may develop cirrhosis or even liver cancer. Cure available is through antiviral medicines and there is no vaccine for hepatitis C and the research is still ongoing. Hepatitis D virus. Hepatitis D virus infection occurs only simultaneously or as a superinfection with hepatitis B virus. The virus spreads through contact with the blood or any other body fluids of an infected person. It is rare among all the hepatitis viruses and it affects 15 million people in the world. Hepatitis D virus can be prevented by hepatitis B immunization. Hepatitis E virus. This virus is transmitted through the fecal-oral route, principally through the contaminated water. There are around 20 million people affected with hepatitis E virus worldwide. It lasts for a few weeks. Extreme cases could cause acute liver failure. It can also be a life-threatening in cases of pregnancy. The vaccine is under evaluation but not yet commercially available in India. What are the precautions that has to be taken for hepatitis? Vaccinations at early age. There are national immunization schedule. Vaccines for hepatitis A, hepatitis B especially. There are a combination of hepatitis A and hepatitis B vaccinations. Hepatitis B vaccine, the normal schedule is 0, 1 and 6. That is, the first dose is given at 0 month. The second dose is given 1 month after the first dose. And the third dose is given 5 months after the second dose, followed by a booster dose after 1.5 years. And also it is a part of a national immunization schedule given at the age of 6 weeks, 10 weeks, 14 weeks and a booster dose at the age of 1.5 years. Maintaining personal hygiene regularly by washing the hands with soap and water. Endemic precautions. Endemic precautions nothing but there are the precautions in order to prevent the hepatitis A and hepatitis E virus, especially the waterborne viruses, by wearing a latex blouse when handling the feces, urine, saliva, blood and body fluids. Don't reuse syringes or needles. This is one of the main cause of hepatitis B and hepatitis C. Also the blood safety. Avoid direct contact with blood and the body fluids. And wash thoroughly with soap and water after the exposure to the infected blood or the infected body fluids. Take home message. Get tested, get treated, encourage the hepatitis vaccine immunization, get immunized with hepatitis B vaccine, and also keep your loved ones safe in order to eliminate hepatitis. Awareness regarding hepatitis can save lives. Awareness can initiate the elimination of hepatitis, and thus our aim ultimately is to eliminate the hepatitis from the world.